Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add LinkedIn profile link in resume. First of all, you can open the LinkedIn application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on profile icon. After tapping on profile icon, you can now tap on name again. And after this, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply see the option that is three dots at the middle right of the screen. Tap on it. And after this, you can now tap on share via and you can just copy the link here. To tap on copy. After copying the link, you can just simply go to the pencil icon at the below top of the screen, tap on it, and after this you can just simply scroll down and here you can paste the link in website section, and it is the way you can add LinkedIn profile link in resume. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.